Hi dears, we are continuing with the lesson through a colored glass in our first unit when I was a child. Now we are going on with page number 15. Now the first paragraph, when R.K. Narayan, the brother of R.K. Lakshman, started writing stories for the Hindu newspaper, then R.K. Lakshman was requested to draw the characters of R.K. Narayan stories. R.K. Narayan was able to share his ideas very easily because they were brothers, one reason. And the second thing, they were together always in all the places. They could read the other's mind very easily. They could understand the other person very easily. So drawing the characters or illustrating the characters of R.K. Narayan was very easy for R.K. Lakshman. Now once when it was a success, automatically R.K. Lakshman started learning the techniques of drawing and painting by trial and error technique. How it happened is, trial and error means trying and making mistakes, clearing the mistakes and learning new things. That's what is trial and error technique. Now R.K. Lakshman started doing that when he started drawing pictures for R.K. Narayan stories, and he started learning how to use a brush, a paint, ink, etc. Now when this was a success, when people started listening to or watching the cartoons or the pictures of R.K. Lakshman which were drawn for R.K. Narayan stories, some other writers also requested him to draw their characters in their stories. That was a good beginning. Now we'll go with the second paragraph here. R.K. Lakshman, when he was getting a successful painter, he wanted to become a cartoonist in a famous newspaper. So he went to New Delhi and approached the Hindustan Times, but they refused him, telling that he was very young. They are expecting an elderly, matured person. And then when he went to Mumbai, he got chances in Blitz and the Free Press Journal. And along with those works, he started doing some comic strips. What's a comic strip? Now see the comic strip which I am sharing here on the screen. It is having some images and some dialogues which is showing some messages and some comic images and some dialogues also. Looks a little bit funny. Now when R.K. Lakshman started doing all these things, he was being noticed very soon, and he joined in a big English newspaper, The Times of India. And for long 47 years, he was a part of the great newspaper, The Times of India, and he was the cartoonist for its front page itself. That can be very clearly showing that how important his cartoons were for the newspaper. And to celebrate the 150th anniversary of the Times of India, they published a stamp, and the image which was the picture that was chosen by the team, the Times of India, was one of the cartoons of R.K. Lakshman. There you can see how much trust they have given to R.K. Lakshman's cartoons. Now towards the end, the third paragraph, now R.K. Lakshman says that he worked very hard, and that too for a very long time. But even when he is getting as an aged person, and when he is thinking about his childhood and those different views, he just have two things in his mind. The first one is looking through the different colored glasses, and the second one is his love and fascination towards that alive creatures. Yes, of course, they are the crows, the black crows. Then he says that he continues to paint crows even when he was an old person also. He had that enjoyment when he drew the crow for the first time in his childhood, even when he was drawing it when he was an aged man or an elderly person. It shows that he was having that curiosity and excitement when he was drawing each and every new cartoon. He was enjoying it and he was being excited in seeing all the new cartoons. That's all about the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.